Hello everyone, my name is 𝐼𝐬𝐧𝐝𝐢𝐧𝐿 from grade 5 Berry. Today we are going to find out all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So, first of all, what is a prime number? A prime number is a positive whole number that only has two factors, 1 and itself. And in the other hand, composite numbers are those types of numbers which has more than two factors. So, let's cross out all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. We have to circle 1 because it is neither a prime number or neither a composite numbers. And we have to cross out all the numbers, all the even numbers except for 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, and 100. So now we have to cross out all the numbers except for 4. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, and 100. Now we have to cross all the numbers divisible by 5, but not 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. So now we have to cross out all the numbers divisible by 7. 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 98. By using this method, we can find prime and composite numbers. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.